Hi everyone, welcome back to Cloud Simplified with Shoma. In the last video, we looked at how MCP servers can be connected with a Copilot Studio agent. And today we are going one step further. We are going to take that same agent and use it inside Copilot Studio workflow. The scenario is quite practical. Every day, the workflow will pull my open opportunities from Salesforce, then analyze them, identify which opportunities are at risk, call my sales and products of agent for additional intelligence, and then finally send the result to Microsoft Teams. So now we are moving from simply talking to an agent to actually using the agent as part of an automated business process. Let's get started. Let's jump into Copilot Studio. I will start a new workflow and call it Post Alerts in MS Teams. The first thing we need is a way to trigger this automatically every day. So I will add a recurrence node right here. Next, I will set up a variable to hold our daily pipeline summary as we build it up through the flow. Now comes the important part, pulling the data. I will add a Salesforce connector here and write a SQL query that grabs every opportunity I own along with the account, amount, stage, probability, and the line item tied to each deal. So because this is the raw material and the rest of the workflow is going to work with it. Quickly, let me show you how you can add the Salesforce node. So just search for the Salesforce and pick up the right one. For me, it is like this one. And then you are set. So this is my Salesforce node. With the opportunities in hand, we'll look through each individually using and analyze each opportunity step. For every opportunity, I build a risk input, a clean summary of the name, amount, close date, stage, and probability. That input feeds into a calculate risk signal step, which looks for the pattern that usually mean a deal is in trouble, slipping the close dates, low probability, or stalled stages. Finally, a classify risk level step takes those signals and labels each opportunity as low, medium, or high risk. This is where the workflow stops just reporting on the pipeline and start actually reasoning about it. Here is the full script. I pasted in the notepad to show you, but you can generate this from the Claude or ChatGPT, or I will add this in the description. Now that every opportunity has a risk level, we need to turn that into something a sales manager can actually act on. I build a daily pipeline message that rolls everything up and then use an adaptive card to format it so that it looks nice in the Teams, right? The last step is the part of the flow, post that card straight into Microsoft Teams channel or a chat, or even you can post it in the agent also. So the update lands exactly where the team is already having conversation. No extra app is required. Before trusting any automation, you want to see it actually run. So let's check the activity tab and look at the run history. Here you can see successful runs alongside a couple of failed ones from the earlier. Completely normal because uh, you are building something like this and you are testing. And here's the payoff. This is actually lands in MS Teams, a daily pipeline intelligence card showing the opportunity that need attention today without me having log into the Salesforce, go hunting for them, and here is the output. And that's the workflow from a daily trigger to Salesforce data to risk scoring to an agent powered alert landing right inside Teams. If you found this useful, hit the subscribe, drop a like, and I will see you in the next one.